Number 1. 1973 Chevrolet C20, price $4,500, powered by a 454 big block V8 and paired with an automatic transmission. With 95,000 miles on the odometer, a clean title, and a yellow exterior, it's an ideal candidate for restoration or weekend cruising. Recent upgrades include a new Summit Racing aluminum radiator, fresh valve cover gaskets, new spark plug wires, and an electric fuel pump. It also comes with 2 brand new Flowmaster mufflers, not yet installed, all original removed parts, and extra fluids. The truck currently runs without mufflers, so it has a loud, aggressive sound. It has no AC, a non-working tachometer, typical age-related rust, and a possible rear main seal leak. Overall, it's a strong, classic platform ready for its next chapter. Number 2. 1995 Ford F150, price $5,500, reliable pickup with approximately 100,000 miles on its 302 Ci V8 engine and automatic transmission. The motor was replaced about a year ago with one sourced from another truck that had around 90,000 miles. The vehicle runs, drives, and shifts well. It features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The paint is in good condition, and it comes equipped with a 1-year-old battery, a new Flowmaster exhaust system, and Goodyear Wrangler tires with about half their tread remaining. An aluminum radiator with dual electric fans has also been installed, contributing to improved cooling efficiency. The truck's air conditioning is currently not working, and it operates on a single fuel tank, although all components are present to support a second tank if desired. The brakes are functional, but it's suspected that the brake booster may need replacement. Number 3. 1989 GMC 1500, price $8,000, equipped with a 5.7L 350 V8 engine and a manual transmission. While the odometer reads 375,000 miles, the engine has been replaced and currently has approximately 180,000 miles on it. The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, maintaining a clean and straightforward appearance. Though the paint shows some imperfections, the body remains presentable overall. The interior has been updated with newer model seats for improved comfort, and a custom-built center console is already in place, designed to accommodate a 12-inch subwoofer. All components of the AC and heating system are brand new, providing reliable comfort in any season. It comes with manual windows and door locks, in keeping with its rugged and simple design. One minor issue to note is that the passenger side door currently only opens from the inside. The outside handle requires a new linkage to function properly. Number 4. 1986 Ford F250, price $5,000, featuring a tan exterior and matching tan interior. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it houses the powerful 460 big block V8 engine with a carbureted setup. Originally from California, this truck was owned by the seller's grandfather, who took exceptional care of it throughout his life. The vehicle has been stored under a carport for most of its life, helping preserve its condition. While the exact mileage is unknown, it's road-ready and runs strong. The original smog equipment and evaporative lines have been professionally removed, and the secondary fuel tank has been capped off. The air conditioning and heating systems are both functional. As for imperfections, the dashboard is cracked, the radio no longer works, and there is a minor amount of surface rust beginning to form on the top of the cab. Additionally, the dashboard lights are not currently functioning. Number 5. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. This pickup is a clean and smooth driving truck with 175,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine. It features a matching beige exterior and interior, giving it a classic look, though it could use some paint and minor cosmetic work, making it a great project candidate. The truck runs perfectly, has a clean title, and is fully paid off with current registration. The air conditioning works but stopped cooling about a month ago. Inside, it's well kept and includes a custom sound system with RCA wiring for 3 amps and 2 subwoofers. Overall, it's a reliable, comfortable ride with solid potential for upgrades or customization. Number 6. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,300, rear-wheel drive pickup equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. With 188,000 miles on the odometer, it still starts right up and has never caused any major issues. The truck runs strong and has been well maintained over the years. It features a bold red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Recent maintenance includes new head gaskets, brand new front and rear brakes, a new brake booster, and a new starter. It's also been fitted with new Cooper Cobra tires, a new fuel pump, and a new radiator, ensuring dependable performance for daily driving or hauling needs. The AC and gear system are fully functional. While it could benefit from new shocks and a replacement door handle, overall, it remains a solid, good-running truck ready to hit the road. Number 7. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900, with only 112,000 original miles on the odometer. It's powered by the reliable 5.7L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a striking turquoise color, complemented by a gray interior. Although the air conditioning is not functional, the truck runs and drives well. Having undergone several recent upgrades and maintenance, the suspension has been tastefully modified with a 2-bell tech drop spindle setup in the front and a 4-drop in the rear using a combo of Amazon hangers and shackles, giving it a clean lowered stance. It rides on new Cooper Cobra tires mounted on original rims, adding a sporty yet period-correct look. Mechanically, the truck has seen a lot of attention. It has a new gas tank, fuel pump, fuel filter, rear brake cylinders, injectors, and a brand new exhaust system featuring a Super 44 Flowmaster muffler. It also comes with new front and rear shocks, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The interior is mostly original, and it includes the original captain's seat and center console, which are included in the sale but will need reupholstering to restore them to their former glory. Number 8. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $4,500. This truck is a rare find with only 45,000 original miles on the odometer. Featuring a green exterior paired with a gray interior, it's both eye-catching and practical. The truck is equipped with a gasoline engine and a smooth automatic transmission, offering a comfortable and reliable driving experience. Exceptionally well maintained, this Ranger has recently passed a smog check, and the windshield has been replaced, adding to its road-ready condition. With its low mileage and clean appearance, it's perfect for anyone looking to own a classic, dependable pickup that still offers style and utility. Whether for daily use or as a collector's item, this Ranger is ready for a new owner to enjoy. Number 9. 1982 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. It has a clean title and is currently registered with tags valid until September 2025. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in red, giving it a bold, vintage look. With 174,000 miles on the odometer, it shows the kind of use expected from a vehicle of its era. While it starts and runs, the brakes pull to one side, so for safety reasons, it's strongly recommended that the truck be towed rather than driven. This Sierra 1500 is ideal for someone looking for a project vehicle with solid potential and classic styling. Number 10. 1969 Ford F100, price $4,500. This truck is a solid example of a classic American pickup, finished in a deep burgundy exterior that pairs well with its vintage appeal. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable V8 360 engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and strong driving experience. The truck holds a clean title and features new tires, making it road-ready from day one. Mechanically, the vehicle runs well with no major issues, and it's noted for having minimal rust, quite rare for its age. This F100 blends durability and style, making it a great option for both collectors and classic truck enthusiasts looking for a reliable driver with character.